For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Locust has entered many other states after attacking crops in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Locust attack is similar to a disease foraging across centuries without a cure. It is said that locusts do not have a king, but they still march in a rank towards one destination. A senior police officer shows the different strategies being adopted by farmers to protect their fields from the shorthorn grasshoppers. Majority of Rajasthan bore a deserted look due to locust attack. People stayed indoors to avoid the attack.
ये बहुत ही डेंजरस पोजीशन दिख रही है। हमारे इतिहास के अंदर ऐसा सीन नहीं देखा है। अरब खराब कोई पॉपुलेशन नहीं है इनकी।
Rahul Srivastava, a UP police officer from Jhansi, has come up with an interesting idea to avoid locust attack on farms. The UP police officer posted a vehicle fixed with loudspeakers, which is locally known as a DJ vehicle used for music in marriage processions. Police officer posted a video caption in Hindi saying DJs are not only known for singing and dancing, instead they can be effectively used to scare away armies of locusts. You can also bang utensils or make noise to scare them away. Locusts are entering Rajasthan from Pakistan and then drifted into other parts of western India. Union Environment Ministry officials said desert locusts are often spotted in the country, but on a very small scale.
This attack is huge. It is a once-in-a-3-decade situation and timed very badly for us, as we are already dealing with coronavirus. Local officials have been put on alert and asked to remain prepared with chemicals in tractor-mounted sprayers, power sprayers and fire brigade.
In Jhansi, locusts have been spotted over the last couple of days, and farmers told that they should alert the nearest control room whenever they see a swarm attack. There are reports of partial damages to vegetable crops over 25,000 hectares due to locust attack. Locusts don't attack animals or humans, but can devastate crops and other areas of greenery. The locust activity in Rajasthan's Karauli triggered an alert in Jhansi, Lalitpur, Jalgaon and Auraiya in Uttar Pradesh, as well as in districts like Hamirpur, Kannauj, Etawah and Kanpur Dehat, which adjoin them. Officials have been suggesting farmers to play loud music to drive the insects away and save the crops like moong and other vegetables.